Imagine the drumming thunder of hooves as a stallion races across the plains, powerful, untamed, beautiful. This image captures an essence of masculinity that resonates in the human psyche, evoking a mix of awe, admiration, and desire. Now translate that vision into the everyday habits of men. What are the masculine behaviors that make a woman's heart race? The qualities that stir feelings of respect, security, and attraction? Through exploring these, we not only uncover secrets of attraction, but navigate the complex dance of human relationships. Decisiveness, commanding choice. In an era where choices seem as endless as the paths in a dense forest, the ability to choose decisively is a beacon of clarity. Women often find decisiveness in a man irresistible because it projects strength and purpose. It speaks to an innate ability to cut through complications and emerge with a plan. It's not just about making quick decisions. Decisiveness embodies clarity of thought and a deep understanding of one's values and desires. This characteristic reassures those around him that chaos is manageable and that formidable challenges can be tamed with judicious direction. This does not mean a dictatorial imposition of choices, but rather a considered selection based on wisdom and insight. The decisiveness that appeals to the heart is inclusive and reflects a balance between listening and leading. Integrity, the backbone of trust. Second only to kindness, integrity forms the foundation upon which all lasting relationships are built. It's the hallmark of a man who values not just his own word, but respects those he interacts with. Integrity involves truth-telling and a consistent adherence to a set of ethical principles, making a man predictable in the best possible way. A woman respects a man who does the right thing even when it's inconvenient or unnoticed. Such actions spell reliability and cultivate a deep sense of security and trust, which are crucial for any meaningful connection. Living with integrity means making choices in the light of day that one would not regret in the dark of night. It's this moral steadfastness that becomes a silent seduction of its own, whispering of reliability and moral fortitude. Confidence, without the cockiness. Confidence is magnetic, and its essence lies not in self-centered arrogance, but in self-assured serenity. Women are particularly drawn to men who are secure in their own skin, who neither shrink back nor puff up. Real confidence manifests as a quiet certainty, a soft-spoken force that doesn't have to announce its presence to be felt. This habit extends beyond personal boundaries and influences how he interacts with the world. A confident man listens more than he speaks, seeks to lift others up, and finds no need to diminish others to feel strong. Such confidence is both comforting and inspiring. It encourages trust and admiration, creating a safe space for the woman in his life to thrive alongside him. Emotional presence, more than just there. Being physically present is quantifiable, but being emotionally engaged is a practice of continual presence and attunement. A man who listens, empathizes, and connects with the emotional realities of a woman compels her heart towards him. This doesn't suggest a forfeiture of masculinity, but an enhancement of it through emotional courage and vulnerability. It's about being present in moments that count, understanding not just the words, but the unsaid emotions that swirl around any interaction. Emotional presence shows strength in its most subtle form. It shows that he's strong enough to be soft, a rare and cherished quality. This habit doesn't just make a woman's heart race, it makes her soul feel seen and valued, deepening the bond beyond the superficial layers. Adventurous spirit, the zest of curiosity. Adventure isn't defined solely by daring feats or exotic travels. It's an attitude that embraces life with enthusiasm and curiosity. An adventurous spirit is contagious. It spreads excitement and wonder, making the mundane marvelous and the simple extraordinary. Whether it's trying a new cuisine, exploring a novel route home, or engaging in spontaneous outings, the zest for life is captivating. Women appreciate a man who can pull them gently out of their routines and remind them of the larger, exhilarating world that lies beyond daily responsibilities. This spirit suggests a zest for life that promises shared journeys filled with laughter, learning, and growth. Physical fitness, strength, and stamina. The primal appeal of physical fitness in a man goes beyond aesthetic allure. It suggests vitality, a life force robust enough to handle life's physical and mental challenges. Strength, endurance, and the discipline to maintain fitness speak to a man's ability to endure, protect, and thrive. While physical prowess can be initially impressive, it's the dedication to health and well-being that truly captivates. A man who cares about his body respects himself and, by extension, those he cares for. This habit also speaks to a zest for life and a desire to be prepared for whatever may come. Protective instincts, the shield and shelter. Finally, the protective instinct is a deeply ingrained trait that is not only evolutionary but also profoundly emotional. This isn't about overbearing control, but a genuine concern and proactive attitude towards the well-being of loved ones. Protectiveness rooted in respect and love affirms a commitment to safety and security. It tells a woman that she is valued and cherished, creating an environment where love is expressed not just in words, but through secure and steadfast actions. Balanced protectiveness does not smother. It frees a woman to explore her own strength and capabilities within a supportive framework, letting her know she has a reliable partner in life's journey. Through these 7 masculine habits, not just hearts are won, but lives are enriched, creating bonds that are as deep as they are delightful. Imagine the drumming thunder of hooves as a stallion races across the plains, powerful, untamed, beautiful. This image captures an essence of masculinity that resonates in the human psyche, evoking a mix of awe, admiration, and desire. Now translate that vision into the everyday habits of men. What are the masculine behaviors that make a woman's heart race? The qualities that stir feelings of respect, security, and attraction. Through exploring these, we not only uncover secrets of attraction, but navigate the complex dance of human relationships.